Learning to cope with the noises of tinnitus. As with many other things in life, there are tips and tricks that will help you or your loved one treat or relieve the discomforts of tinnitus. The following video is full of great information that will help you to lessen the discomforts that are caused by this irritating disorder. If you suffer from tinnitus, it can be helpful to find a support group to join. By mingling with people in a support group, you will be surrounded by others who truly understand the issues associated with having this condition. People in this group can offer compassion and different coping strategies which they have discovered to be helpful to them. Stick to a strict sleep schedule. Routine is the best medicine for tinnitus sufferers. Get up in the morning and go to bed at night at the same time each day, including holidays and weekends. This may seem redundant, but it is the key to avoid lying in bed at night awake. If you are dealing with tinnitus, make an effort to reduce the stress in your life. As with many health conditions, excess stress can make your tinnitus symptoms worse. Take a look at your life to see where the extra pressures may be coming from, and take steps to lighten your load. If you suffer from tinnitus, it is important that you avoid stress as much as humanly possible. Stress is very harmful to your body and has a negative effect on all diseases, tinnitus included. Take time to walk and meditate, listen to peaceful music, or participate in any activity that you enjoy and find soothing. You are now equipped with some helpful advice about how to deal with your tinnitus. Hopefully you are starting to feel much better about your situation now that you have learned these tips. If you put them to use, you can find some peace in your life. You may eventually find that the disorder improves or disappears. Brain scan uncovers the real root cause of tinnitus and what you can do about it, starting today. Please visit earpainhacks.com to learn more. Would you like to learn how to naturally ease tinnitus? Please visit earpainhacks.com to learn more. Link in the description.